Hey guys, welcome to the Stu Sales Team's brand new listing. And you know what? I've been in real estate for 20 plus years and I've never brought such a cool, funky property to the market. This place is just gonna blow your mind. It is so unique, so different. And you know what? If you're tired of being in the city, crowded, traffic, and you just wanna get out, then come out to Musselman's Lake. We're here. It's like 20-minute drive to the city. We got a 6-minute GO station this way to take you right downtown to commute. So you got the best of both worlds. You got like 100% full-time cottage living all year round. It's like nuts. You've got this beautiful lake. You've got your own private beach. You can have boats on the lake, drive around, explore, have some fun. But honestly, this house is so super cool. We have a rock climbing wall in the living room. We have a basketball net and enough room for a court in the living room. We have a gorgeous stunning kitchen. We have a full basement, high ceilings, pot lights, an unbelievable master retreat in the top floor with a sexy, gorgeous bathroom, 2 sinks, walk-in closet, home office. Downstairs you got 2 bedrooms, more bathrooms. There's so much in this house. We even have a heated driveway, so in the winter you don't even have to shovel. It just melts and goes away. This house is brand new, brand spanking new. Everything's been done the last 4 or 5 years. Nothing to worry about. So you know what? If you're sitting in your little tiny backyard in Toronto and you're just tired and you want to get out in the country, see some birds, sit on this beautiful deck, and look, you can't hear anything. No cars, no sirens, no traffic. Then you know what? Go to stewsales.ca, see all the photos, the videos, and give me Stu a call for a personal tour.